Welcome back to Quiz Blitz. Can you pass this human body quiz? Let's see how well you understand your body from your bones to your blood cells. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Blitz channel for more exciting quizzes. First question. What is this organ? Heart, liver, or stomach? Heart. Which part of the body has the most bones? Head, hands, or feet? This one's tough, but I believe in you. The feet. They have 26 bones. What is the average temperature of the human body? 97.6, 98.6, or 99.6 degrees Fahrenheit? Think carefully before answering. 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, or 37 degrees Celsius. How many lungs do we have? 1, 2, or 3? 2. Well done. How many senses do we have? 4, 5, or 6? Yes, we have 5 main senses: hearing, smell, taste, touch, and sight. How many bones are in the human body? Not obvious. Correct. The human body has 206 bones. Guess the body part by emoji. You can do it! Brain. What does IQ stand for? Intelligence quotient, intelligence question, or information quantity? Intelligence quotient. What do bones need to grow? Calcium, iron, or water? They need calcium. What is the largest organ in the human body? The stomach, the brain, or the skin? Write your answer in the comments. The skin. How many liters of blood does an adult have? 5, 10, or 15 liters? 5 liters. Well done. DNA is found in the nucleus of cells. True or false? True. What is the longest bone in the human body? The femur, the tibia, or the spine? Think hard, you can get it! The femur. Keep it up! Vocal cords are shaped like strings. True or false? That's false! Guess the word! I'm sure you know the answer. Stomach. What is the role of the stomach? help with breathing, help digest food, or pump blood through the body. Help digest food. What is the blood type of a universal donor? Type A, Type B, or Type O? Do you have the answer? It's Type O negative. What is this organ? Intestine, spleen, or bladder? Intestine. We have only one kidney. True or false? False. We have two. Guess the body part by emoji. Any idea? Leg. The heart is a muscle. True or false? True. What is the name of the broken tooth in this image? Molar, canine, or incisor? Incisor. Correct answer. Which one is not one of our five senses? Intuition, sight, or smell? Intuition. Correct answer. How many pairs of ribs do we have? 12, 14, or 16? 12. How many chromosomes does a human have? 26, 36, or 46? This question isn't easy. 23 pairs, which makes 46 chromosomes. What is the main component of nails and hair? Keratin, collagen, or hemoglobin? Keratin. Keep it up. What is this word? Pancreas. What gas do we inhale when we breathe? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, or nitrogen? Oxygen. Correct answer. What gas do we exhale when we breathe? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, or nitrogen? Carbon dioxide. What does DNA stand for? Deoxyribonucleic acid, dehydrated natural acid, or neutral distilled analysis? Deoxyribonucleic acid. Which muscle helps us breathe? Diaphragm, abs, or trapezius? Diaphragm. Guess the body part by emoji. Belly. Which hormone is often called the stress hormone? Insulin, cortisol, or melatonin? Cortisol. What percentage of your body is made up of water? 50%, 60%, or 70%? 60%. The tongue is the strongest muscle in the human body. True or false? Who thinks they have the right answer? False! It's a myth. Which sense allows us to see? Sight, hearing, or smell? Sight. Which bone forms the knee? The kneecap, the tibia, or the femur? The kneecap. What is the ideal duration of sleep? 4 to 5 hours, 7 to 9 hours, or 10 to 12 hours? Seven to 9 hours. How about you? Let me know in the comments. What is the main function of red blood cells? Fight infections, carry oxygen, or clot blood? Carry oxygen. How many days can the human body survive without water? 1 day, 2 days, or 3 days? Three days. Guess the word. Well done, it's tibia. Why do we sometimes get goosebumps? We're tired, we're cold or scared, or we've eaten too much. I'm sure you know the answer. We're cold or scared. Which organ has the ability to regenerate? Liver, lungs, or kidneys? Liver. What do neurons do? Transmit information, produce energy, or circulate blood? Transmit information. What is myopia? A heart disease, a vision disorder, or a joint disorder? A vision disorder. Which part of the tongue detects sweet taste? The sides, the back, or the tip? The tip. Well done. Which colors can't colorblind people distinguish? Red and black, green and red, or white and black? Green and red. Guess the body part by emoji. Skin. What pigment colors the skin? Melanin, hemoglobin, or chlorophyll? Melanin. Which insect transmits malaria? Fly, bedbug, or mosquito? Mosquito. Another correct answer. Which arteries supply the brain? Carotids, jugulars, or femorals? Carotids. Where are the kidneys located? In the abdomen, in the lower back, or in the chest? In the lower back. What is the main role of the inner ear? Speech, balance, or memory? Balance. What is this word? Intestine. What is this organ? Pancreas, liver, or kidney? Liver. What illness is treated with insulin? Allergies, diabetes, or typhoid? Diabetes. Well done. What is the hardest surface in the human body? Bones, enamel, or cartilage? Enamel. How many muscles does the tongue have? 11, 15, or 17? Yes! The tongue has 17 muscles. Where is the femur located? In the leg, in the arm, or in the back? In the leg. Guess the word. Skeleton. Where is the eardrum located? In the throat, in the eye, or in the ear? It's in the ear. What part of the body connects the mouth to the stomach? Esophagus, diaphragm, or trachea? Esophagus. Guess the body part by emoji. Kidney. What type of tissue connects bones to each other? Cartilage, ligaments, or tendons? Ligaments. How many teeth does an adult have? 28, 32, or 34? Most adults have 32 teeth. What is this organ? Brain, pancreas, or stomach? Brain. Which organ produces red blood cells? Heart, bone marrow, or liver? Bone marrow. Keep it up! Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.